To open a new link in a specific tab, click and hold a link in the address bar of Edge browser. Then drag it to an already open or inactive tab. To automatically open a specific website daily or on each browser launch, right-click on the tab and then select Pin. To open the same website page in multiple tabs, right-click on a tab and then select Duplicate option. To restore a mistakenly closed tab or window in Edge browser, press Ctrl and Shift keys and then keep pressing T key on Windows keyboard until you restore all tabs and windows. To create a tab group in Edge browser, right-click any tab and then select Add tab to new group option. Choose name and color for the tab group. You can right-click on the tab group to close, ungroup and move the tab group. Watch next videos for more browser tips.